Welcome to Module 2.2, the Physics of Movement and the Intelligent Motor Mechanism, focusing on the DC motor working principle and back EMF. The DC motor's rotation begins with the interaction of magnetic fields, applying the Lorentz Force. The armature's magnetic field interacts with the stationary field, causing like poles to repel and unlike poles to attract. This force creates a physical push on the coils, generating rotational torque. For AI learners, this is the hidden layer of electromechanical energy conversion. This visual illustrates the interaction of fields and the resulting force that drives the motor. Torque is produced by the force multiplied by the armature radius. Higher current and stronger flux lead to more power. Commutation logic ensures continuous rotation by flipping the current as the coil passes the neutral point, keeping the magnetic push in the same rotational direction. Introducing back EMF, or E_B. While the motor consumes energy to spin, it simultaneously acts as a generator. A voltage is induced in the armature conductors as they cut through magnetic flux lines. According to Lenz's law, this induced voltage opposes the supply voltage, serving as the motor's internal braking mechanism. Back EMF is crucial because it provides protection, preventing excessive armature current that could melt the windings. It also acts as a natural speed governor, stopping infinite acceleration under no-load conditions. Furthermore, E_B magnitude indicates the motor's mechanical performance and electrical health. Here we see the crucial role of back EMF in motor operation, ensuring protection, governing speed, and indicating efficiency. The governing equation for the DC motor is the voltage balance. The applied voltage, V, is shared between the generated back EMF, E_B, and the losses in the armature resistance, I_AR_A. This equation explains why current drops as the motor speeds up. Back EMF is directly proportional to motor speed. At a standstill, E_B is 0, which is why the starting current is at its absolute maximum. As speed increases, E_B increases linearly. The DC motor possesses self-regulation logic. If the load increases, the motor slows down, and E_B decreases. Since voltage is constant, the armature current I_A must increase to handle the load. This increased current generates more torque until a new speed equilibrium is reached. Think of a blender slowing down in thick batter as a real-time example. This chart illustrates current dynamics. The armature current is maximum at standstill when E_B is 0, but drops significantly once the motor reaches rated speed and E_B is established. Industrial tip: use starters to limit the standstill current surge. In modern engineering, back EMF is monitored digitally. Algorithms can calculate E_B in real time using terminal voltage and current measurements, often eliminating the need for speed sensors. This sensorless control uses the E_B signature to estimate speed and predict winding faults, supporting AI and predictive health maintenance. This process flow illustrates how digital monitoring and modeling use back EMF for predictive health and sensorless control in motor systems. The engineering relationship matrix summarizes the dynamics. If speed increases, E_B increases and armature current decreases. If load increases, E_B decreases briefly and armature current increases to match the required torque.